Hey there! Today a little bit of a different video. This is the Denon AVR-X4500H, and yeah, while setting it up the other day the antenna broke, and now the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi doesn't work, so today we're trying to fix it. Let's look into it. So this is the device from the side, and on both sides you need to open these 3 screws. So put the screws aside, and then we need to open these screws, black on the top 3, yeah. And then you push out these metal platings, and yeah, you can remove the body. So let's get rid of this and let's look at it. So the antennas are here and here, and yes, there are the cables plugged to there. And here you can see the thing that broke. Oh, I think I don't even need to solder anything. Oh, that's perfect. So let's change the view so that you can see. So that is where the antennas are plugged in, and one goes left, and this one's perfectly fine. And here you can see that something's not quite right. So if we compare these 2 antennas, you can see that this golden thing is in the broken one, and here you can see that this thing is just ripped off. So we might need to solder it. Let's see. So let's get this yellow thing off. So let's remove it. Okay, so now this thing looks like the other one. I think we might have a chance soldering it, so let's get this cable out of the case, and yeah. As you've seen, I can just pull it out. That's weird. So I thought a little bit about it, and like all these parts of the antenna, I don't think I can do any soldering magic, but I found a replacement in the internet. So let's look at that. So yesterday this thing arrived, and it's 2 days later from the last clip. So yeah, I ordered this antenna cable, and by comparing it with the other thing, it seems that it is exactly what I needed. And now let's get into plugging that thing into the whole body. So what we need to do is first open it and then plug this small little thing, I hope you can see it, this one, into here. So right, I hope it fits. Yes, it does. You need to simply put this thing off and this little ring, then insert it right there. There's a little hole, but you need to pay attention to this flat thing is facing to where you see the insert in the hole, and then you can put this ring over top and simply screw this thing up like this. And then we get to the cable management. To do so I'm using this little string. To put this thing on top, I figured that here there's a little extruding part, so you need to insert it like this under the top, under the front thingy, and then that's screwed together. So the step from the beginning, only vice versa, screw in the screws right there. Then the screws on the back, there, there, and there. Yeah, that's the new one. You can barely see it. And then from the other side. And now let's see whether this thing works or not. So now I guess it's the moment of truth. And I forgot, I screwed the antennas back in, but I think, you can do this. So you can barely see the Denon, and that's what I mean, like this GUI, graphical user interface, doesn't have this premium look. So, but I think in every setting it's like the other receiver we have. So so if you want a higher quality looking graphical user interface, I don't recommend this thing. So, but let's get to it. So what wasn't working was the Bluetooth before. So okay, so it's trying to pair. So now with my with the smartphone from the other video, I'm trying to connect. Oh, it's there. Oh, does it work? Oh, yes, it works. So now, obviously there are no speakers plugged in, so we aren't going to hear anything, but it is there. Perfect. So, that's all from me. Stay curious and bye.